As a young girl, I was always enamored with stories of adventure and exploration. My heart belonged to the faraway lands and the characters that inhabited them. I even daydreamed about becoming an archaeologist or a writer. However, as I grew older, reality began to set in and I had to make practical choices. In my quaint little town, opportunities were limited. I decided to move to the city and take on any job that came my way. After dabbling in retail, data entry, and even a stint as a tour guide, I stumbled upon a job as an administrative assistant at an accounting firm. This seemingly mundane job revealed a surprisingly intriguing world of numbers and finance to me. I was fascinated by the intricate dance of figures and how they told stories of their own. Encouraged by my colleagues, I decided to pursue accounting and became a certified public accountant. Today, as an accountant, I feel like an explorer in the financial jungles, finding patterns and stories within the numbers, and in a way, I'm still living my childhood dreams. So how can you determine if accounting is the right choice for you? Unlock the secret to financial success with Kountin Koins, where numbers come alive and your accounting game thrives. Hi and welcome back to our channel. And in this video, I'll give you 5 reasons why you should reconsider becoming an accountant. Drawing from my years of experience in the field, I hope these points will help you evaluate if accounting aligns with your aspirations. Reason 1. Accountants need to be good at math. One common belief is that accountants must excel at math, considering we work with numbers extensively. However, the truth is that you don't have to be a math whiz to become an accountant. Personally, I enjoy math and pursued physics initially because of that interest. When I positioned to accounting, I hope to utilize my mathematical skills. Surprisingly, I found that I rarely used complex math in my work. Most of the time, I performed basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, often relying on calculators or Excel spreadsheets. In fact, being proficient in Excel is a more valuable skill for accountants as it streamlines tasks that would otherwise be time-consuming. So if you're considering a career in accounting, don't stress about math skills. Instead, focus on becoming a master of spreadsheets. Reason 2. Accounting is boring. The common perception of accounting being a tedious profession rings true for many. The initial impression of the profession often paints a picture of dreary tasks that cycle through month after month. I remember when my sister began her journey as an auditor in London. Excited and eager, she stepped into her first day only to be greeted by a mountain of invoices that required verification against the report. It wasn't exactly the thrilling beginning she had imagined. However, as she grew in her career, she was exposed to complex changes that involved not just number crunching, but also strategic thinking and effective communication with a diverse range of professionals. Gradually, she discovered the depth and dynamism in accounting. Her eyes lit up as she shared stories of the project she was involved in. It was inspiring to see her passion grow for a career that many consider mundane. She even introduced me to the book So Good They Can't Ignore You by Cal Newport, which sheds light on how individuals find fulfillment and passion in their careers. Observing her journey, it's evident that a career in accounting can be as vibrant as the mindset one brings to it. Reason 3. Accounting is hard. Warren Buffett famously referred to accounting as the language of business, as he wasn't wrong. For me, learning accounting felt akin to acquiring a new language. Understanding the fundamental principles is crucial, as everything else falls into place once you grasp the basics. Accounting can be challenging, but if you're willing to invest time in comprehending the fundamentals, it can become more manageable. That's precisely what my channel aims to provide, an easy-to-understand guide to basic accounting. My goal is to simplify accounting for you. If you've liked the video so far, please give it a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you would like us to cover next. Now back to the video. Reason 4. Accountants work long hours. Indeed, accountants can face grueling hours at times, but these varies depending on numerous factors like the job role and the organization one is associated with, as well as seasonal demands. My best friend has navigated the highs and lows of work-life balance in her accounting career. She began her journey as an auditor in a public accounting firm, where there were nights she would grab a late dinner at the office and trudge home way past midnight for weeks. She used to call me during those late nights, sometimes just to vent or share funny anecdotes. The stress was palpable, but that's not the full picture. Later, she transitioned to a financial accountant role in the corporate sector, where her days were much more balanced. I could see her regain her zest as she enjoyed flexible 8-hour days and had more time for her hobbies. Her experience taught me that not all accounting roles are monotonous or draining, and by taking calculated risks and being open to change, accountants can find positions that align well with their desired work-life balance. Reason 5. The future of accounting or risk of automation. One question that frequently arises is whether technology or AI will replace accountants. In my opinion, the answer is both yes and no. I'd like to recommend another book to you, Deep Work by Cal Newport. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Cal or anything. I've simply been reading some great books lately and wanted to share them with you. In Deep Work, Cal asserts that 3 types of people will thrive in the modern world: owners with significant capital, superstars who excel in their respective fields, and highly skilled workers who can effectively collaborate with intelligent machines. Unfortunately, most of us don't belong to the first group, as we don't possess substantial financial resources. However, it's within our capabilities to practice and strive to become the best at what we do or to continuously educate ourselves and adapt to emerging technologies. As machines become more advanced, low-skilled jobs are likely to be automated, including certain bookkeeping tasks. Nevertheless, accounting is not a low-skilled profession. We still need professionals who can effectively utilize new software and possess the ability to comprehend, analyze, and interpret financial data. Therefore, if you aspire to be an accountant, I encourage you to keep learning. By dedicating effort to becoming exceptional in your field or staying updated on the latest technologies, you'll remain a valuable asset for years to come. If this video has dissuaded you from pursuing accounting, then perhaps it's for the best. I hope it has helped narrow down your choices, enabling you to find a different career path that aligns better with your aspirations. However, if you're still interested in learning more about accounting, remember to click the subscribe button and explore my accounting basics videos. Don't forget to comment below with your thoughts, questions, and accounting victories. I'll see you in the next episode of Kountin Koins. Happy accounting!